Small letters. A for ant. B for bee. C for camel. D for dog. E for eye. F for fox. G for gold. H for horse. I for ink. J for jackfruit. K for kitchen. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nose. O for ox. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun.